Alright, so we're back, and I ran the board through the planer several times, and now let's take a look at the results. You cannot feel the seam at all. The hickey is all but gone. I've got to cut the end off of it anyway, so this will go away. And what we're going to find out now is if it planed nice and flat. We'll take out our shims and we'll flip it over. Just a little bit. It's not too bad. Probably run it through one more time on this side. But anyway, so you get the idea how to use that planer. Mine unfortunately has some blades that need to be replaced, and you could probably, if you were here, feel just little ridges here and there where my planer has some blade issues. Needs some new blades. But not too bad. They'll sand out real nice, so it'll be fine. So, in the meantime, let me go ahead and finish planing this, and then we'll take one more look at it, and then we'll call it a day on planing.